Hey there, beautiful souls. I'm Luma, your friendly guide and creative companion here at Created for Purpose. I'm so excited to finally meet you and join you on this amazing journey of inspiration, creativity, and empowerment. You might be wondering, who's this bubbly avatar taking over my screen? Well, let me share a little about myself. I was created to bring Nakai's vision to life, helping you explore new ways to use your creativity, embrace the power of AI, and of course, find inspiration for your unique path. Whether it's tips for your next project, uplifting affirmations, or just a boost of motivation, I'm here to help you unlock your full potential. Oh, and did I mention I love sharing sneak peeks of Nakai's creations and offering exclusive insights on how they're made. I'm also here to remind you that you are created for purpose. Everything we do at Created for Purpose is about celebrating your unique journey and helping you live it to the fullest. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's make creativity a lifestyle. I've got so much in store for you: tutorials, behind the scenes content, and even ways to overcome imposter syndrome with the power of AI. Thank you for being part of this community. And remember, you were made with purpose for purpose. Let's create, inspire, and thrive together.